This is really fluffy and moist vegan chocolate cake. Even if you are not vegan, give it a go. Welcome to Kish Pastry. Now I'm going to show you how I made this cake. I got all the ingredients here for the chocolate cake. First I'm gonna add this white vinegar into the soya milk. I want it to get curdle, so I'm gonna mix it and leave aside. Next I had to melt this vegan butter or vegan spread. I'm gonna melt it with the golden syrup. I'm gonna melt this in a microwave. If not, you can melt this on a simmering pan of water. After mixing my vegan butter mix, I left it to cool down. Now I'm going to mix all these dry ingredients. I'm going to sieve this plain flour first. With the cocoa powder, bicarbonate of soda, baking powder, and now I'm gonna add the sugar, add the vegan butter mix, and the soya milk. At this stage you can use a whisk. I got a cake tin. And don't forget to preheat your oven. I preheat my oven normally for 180 centigrades and bring it down to 160. I cover this cake before I bake with the tin foil. Look at the steam. Lovely vegan cake. Same rule when you're baking. Check the middle with the skewer. Nice and clean. Now I'm going to rest this cake on a wire rack before I'm going to do the icing. Let's do the buttercream. I got vegan spread, cocoa powder, icing sugar, and soya milk. I'm going to mix all these ingredients together until smooth. got some grated dark chocolate. I'm gonna sprinkle on top. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you got any questions, leave it in the comments and subscribe me. I'll see you in next video.